just going to do a quick little video here, show you guys what's going on. So we got this 47 Chevy in right here. Mike got the hood latching today. He's got the trunk closing. He's got the brake lights working properly. He's got to adjust the wipers tomorrow. Steering column tightened up. It was loose. It needs a couple fan belts. The belts are squealing really bad. So yeah, the 47 Coupe, kind of a neat little car. So he's got that almost taken care of. It's actually got pearl in the paint. Another one of these Roadman member cars. I think the Roadmen are taking over here. I think this is their clubhouse or something. Gonna have to start charging them dues. That's what's gonna have to happen. Anyway, they're all good guys. Fraser Valley chapter, they bring me all their work. I've known these guys before they were roadmen. That's why they bring me their work. I don't know, maybe there's other roadmen out there doing work that they could go to, but they keep coming to me, and I appreciate that. Now, this just came in, 27 Chrysler. Holy fuck, is this thing original? Look at it. It's even got goddamn wooden spoked wheels down there. I can whittle myself some toothpicks and away we go. So this one came in because it's been sitting, and they let it sit and it got dirty old gas in it, and now we got to freshen it up, blow all the lines out, clean the tank out, get the sucker up and running, and take it from there and see how it is. So nothing too major, but got to take care of it. Don't mind. Look at the headlights on that thing. God almighty. Fuck, Chrysler, eh? Different. Definitely different. You know? So, you know, it's funny, Chrysler, their whole lives, Chrysler Dodge products, some of you are going to hate me, but they're always so this flat panel sided. Unless you get into some of the 40s in that, right? But I don't know, I guess the 50s, but maybe I'm wrong. Look at that interior. Holy God, it's like going back in the 1970. Wow, wow. That's crazy. Look at that sucker. Even the steering wheel's wooden. Well, it's in nice shape though. Yeah, well, I guess if you get cold at nighttime and you're in a situation, I guess you know where there's some firewood, right? I'm just joking with you. I appreciate anything that's old. Sooner see this go down the road than something new. I'll tell you that much all day long. God. Don't know what's going on these days, but it is what it is. Guys can't afford old cars, so you go to car shows nowadays, and half the cars there are brand new Camaros and Mustangs. And when I mean new, I don't mean like 10 or 15 years old. I mean the fucking things literally just rolled off the lot and they put a set of wheels on it and did a tune to it, and there it is. I don't know. I appreciate the fact they're car guys and they're into cars, and that's cool and all, but I'm not going to car shows that have that stuff. This doesn't interest me. The 32 Ford pickup, well, I'm working away on it here for Terry. I got his rear fenders on. I got his tonneau cover lid on. Got his tail lights. It's pretty dark in here, ain't it? What the hell's going on? Got his tail lights on. Got his tailgate on. Got the running boards on. Both sides. And I've just started, but I'm stopping now because it's 6:30. I started putting the passenger side fender on. Well, that's it. It's 6:30. I'm going in the house. And not only that, this thing says we got 3 minutes left till the battery dies on it. So I'm not even going to take you in the room to show you what Sean's working on. You're just going to have to wait for another video. This is just a short, sweet, hello, here I am, Tuesday, and I'm at work. And that's okay. It's okay, because when you're working, you're making money. When you're sitting at home, you're making nothing. So many people complain, I got no money. Well, get off your ass and do something. Do something about it. There's always something you can do. Go cut the neighbor's lawn. Go gather bottles up. Go do something. I did it when I was younger. Even if you're old and you're broke, you can make money. There's ways to make money. There always is. Just got to think outside the box. People don't do that nowadays, though. I don't know. So there we go. That's what's going on there. 2 minutes left before the battery dies. Let's see if there's anything new and exciting out here. Don't think there is. Oh, the Chevy's done. Chevy's all done. We finished it up. Just got to take it for a test drive tomorrow, make sure everything's good with it. And it's out the door. Now I'll get hold of the owner then, tell him he can get it. And then we got another one of these Roadmen out here. Here's another one. Anyway, he's back again. Rich is like a brother to me. He's my brother from another mother. Like I told you, he built all this stuff for me. He, honestly, I can call him a brother. He brought his truck in because the belt was starting to rip apart and blow apart. So he's here working tomorrow. So he dropped the truck off this afternoon and said, here, deal with the belt for me. And that's all good. We'll deal with it. Yeah. We were out cruising yesterday, Monday. He was out cruising in his truck. We always go out cruising every Monday. That's what we do. Go cruising. Anyway, okay guys, well, the camera's going to die, and so am I because it's way past my working time. So I'll catch you this week. I'll do another video and I'll show you what's going on. And on the weekend, we're flaming up that 32. We're going to flame it. Hell yeah.